We're going to present the estimates to the client using several approaches. I'm going to give you the two sort of most common ones right now. The first approach is one that I call the gentle or the kind approach. You use this approach with a new client who's there for the first time, or maybe as a shop, if this is all brand new to you and you're just starting to launch this, you want to use the gentle kind approach, which is the following. Let's say I've identified 7 things that add up to $2,500 or $3,500 or $3,000, right? And say Nader's my client, and I present that, he just runs out the door screaming, I'm going to go buy another car, right? I just scare him away. So what I'll do is I'll say, hey, Nader, we've got your vehicle needs a brake service and it needs a transmission service today. The total for that is going to be, and I give him the price. Our technician also noted that we've got some control arm bushings that are beginning to show signs of wear, and your timing belt is going to be due. But all of these can be done in the future. So you see, I've presented all the information, but I've only priced out the first 2, or given him the price on the first 2. Now, I have the prices ready on the other ones, because he might say to me, because again, I'm not pre-qualifying, he might say to me, well, how much is the rest? Mm-hmm. And I'll tell him, and he said, oh, you know what, if I leave the car for a couple of days, can you get it all done? I don't know him, right, initially. Mm-hmm. So that's the kind, gentle approach. The other approach is, after I've qualified my client's expectations, maybe this is their second or their third or their fourth visit, I then present all of it, because I know that they're the type of person that wants to get their car caught up every time, because they don't want to come back that many visits. So they'd rather come in for less visits and get more done than come in for more visits and get less done, right? Different people have different expectations and their budgets. There's people who have a lot of cash flow. They'll drop $3,000 onto a car. There's other people who get paid every 2 weeks and they have to spread out their car repairs, right? So we need to qualify them. And then, of course, everything that's not purchased is documented as a professional and brought up again with a reminder email in the conversation when the appointment's made. And then away we go, building our average work order size.